Neighbors, what's good? I'm back. It's your guy. Yeah, we still had the same problem, but I'm back to let y'all know we got some good news. Okay, so boom, I talked to Kozmic and I talked to JacksTrans. So both parties rated me for SST rebuild, and the clutches, I think mine is fine, so I will keep my OEM clutch. But for Kozmic, they rated me, I think it was 6,000 to get the trans built, and that can hold 600 plus horsepower. And JacksTrans rated me for I think they rated me 5,600 for the SST rebuild, and that's 600 plus horsepower as well. I just want to know which one would y'all rather see in the car. Like I said, I'm not really tripping, because when we get the SST put back in and rebuilt, well, when we get it rebuilt and put back in and everything like that, we won't really be too far from 600 horsepower after we go through the tuning process and everything like that. So, want to see what would y'all like to see. Oh, and the reason the windshield wipers up is because I'm about to wash the car, and I'm going to put a tarp over it so it just won't be sitting and getting filthy. Yeah, everything's, the same old. Also, I talked to the guy in the Facebook group chats. He was saying that he has an SST that's already rebuilt. He's parting out his car because his car has some electrical problems. I'm not too sure about that, but he was like, he'll sell his to me for 5,000. I was like, I don't know. Just depends on how long it takes for JacksTrans to get back with me, how long it takes for Kozmic to get back with me. He's on standby. He told me just get back with him whenever. So that's one. Also on top of that, I'm not sure if I said the windshield wipers are up because I'm about to wash the car. I think I did say that. But yeah, neighbors, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to see what would y'all prefer to see, a Kozmic Trans or a JacksTrans. Yeah, and that was it. Also, I had bought a wing, but fitment issues. I took it back. I sent it back, and we're gonna get another one. There was an Evo 9 wing I think I had. It looked real good. I had to paint it with it. Also, neighbors, let me see. Oh, sheesh. Let me see, and just to show you, it's the trans. The motherfucker still crank up. So, it still crank up. You see that? Yeah. Yeah, that sucks. But that's that, neighbors. Also, like I said, for sure we're gonna get some more wheels. I lost the center cap for that thing. Yeah, that's that. Also, you see how this messed up right here? I got the other part. I ordered the other part. I got it. I just have to put it on. I'm gonna do a video on that too. Another thing, what I really want to know is, I was thinking about getting another color for the Evo. Wicked white looks good, but I also always been a fan of that satin looking color. Well, I don't know if it's satin, but it's like a desert color. It's not multicam. It's just like a brownish sand brown, light brown, something like that. It looks real good. I just wonder how would y'all think that'll look. But yeah, this baby is dirty. See, and I took that other little wing spoiler thing that was on. I took that off. Yeah, this baby's dirty. We finna get her washed up real good. But that's what I want to know, neighbors. Go get some motel lights too. But first, before I do anything, what I want more than anything, wheels. I want wheels more than anything in the world. I want wheels more than anything at all. But yeah, neighbor, that's pretty much it. I just want to see, what would y'all prefer, a Kozmic build or JacksTrans? Yeah, and I'm finna wash this bad baby up and cover up, so she just won't be sitting out here looking like don't nobody care about her. Also, oh yeah, another thing I want to talk to y'all about. So I even thought about, after I get this one fixed, I thought about selling this one and going back to buy another one, but buy a manual instead of an automatic. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. If you're gonna pay to get it fixed, why not just sell it now and then keep that same money and put that new money into the other car? I thought about that, but me being me, I wouldn't even want to buy a car with a messed up trans either. So yeah, so that's how that is. But like I said, it's worth a shot, so I see. But overall, yeah, pretty much thinking about getting the manual. That's what I wanted. It's just so happened to be after I got the automatic, all the manuals end up popping up and everything like that, and so on and so forth. So it's like, now that I got this one here, all the manuals pop up. So it's, 5 speeds, not too bad. And it's easier to work on the GSRs and find parts for them. So, and another thing, the quote for the transmission, another guy quoted me to drop it out because I do believe I got to go to training. So another guy quoted me to drop it out. He said it'd be like $1,400 to drop it and put the new one in. But if it was a GSR, it would have been like $1,010. But yeah, you know, I ain't really tripping off that. But that's what I want to know, neighbors. How y'all feel about me getting rid of the automatic, getting the manual, 5-speed transmission. Also, after we get the 5-speed, if we get the 5-speed transmission, most definitely, I'm pretty sure it'll be another color. I didn't find not one in wicked white. But if not, if we end up, if y'all want to keep the SST, we keep the SST. That's fine. We get some new wheels for sure. After we get the new wheels, think about another color on the car, or just wrap it. It ain't even gotta be painted. Just wrap it. Also, I got the stickers and stuff that come in. You know, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna put them in YouTube, Instagram, all the other cool stuff that's gonna go up the side. It's gonna look pretty good. Yeah, neighbors, we got some stuff planned. So pretty much everything's done. I want to change the mount, the manifold. That I really want sheepy built. I really want a sheepy built mount, and I want a sheepy intercooler, which is fine. Also, neighbors, another thing that's real suspicious. I don't know if anybody know, but I opened this up to try to put a tow hook in there, and it doesn't have that compartment where I can put one in there. I don't know if that's just on certain ones or anything like that, but yeah, I saw that and I thought that was kind of weird. Not sure. But yeah, that's that. Another thing we're gonna have to do is change them headlights out and probably sell them. I'm not sure who cat that is. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it, neighbors. Like I said, I'm gonna watch this bad baby up. The wing fitment issues, we're gonna get another one. Until then, I'll probably just put the little lip back on there. As you can see, the paint is chipped up and all that, so I'm gonna just try to clean it up so that won't just be in there like that there. But yeah, neighbor, that's pretty much it, and I just want to run that by y'all. So yes sir, neighborhood out, and we'll see y'all on the next one.